Today I want to teach you the expression deep dive. Deep dive. And we use it commonly with the verb to take a deep dive. And to take a deep dive into something. Okay, and this means to research a topic or investigate a topic or a subject very, very deeply, to learn many things about that subject. So maybe there's a political topic that you're interested in, an issue that you're interested in, and you want to learn many things about it. Well, then you take a deep dive into that subject. You can imagine a diver jumping off a diving board and going deep into the water. Okay, this is kind of the same image that comes to mind when we think about somebody researching a topic deeply by taking a deep dive into that topic.